The BioLite CampStove 2 Plus kit is a versatile camping stove that not only cooks and boils water, but also converts heat into electricity, allowing you to charge devices like smartphones and headlamps. Fueled by renewable biomass materials such as twigs and pinecones, this stove provides an eco-friendly way to enjoy smokeless flames, perfect for making s'mores or preparing complete meals. The integrated USB port and thermoelectric generator produce 3 watts of power with the ability to store energy in a 3,200 milliampere hour battery for charging even when the fire is out. Its scalloped pot stand efficiently holds the KettlePot, capable of boiling 1 liter of water in 4.5 minutes, and the adjustable flame offers 4 fan speeds for precise cooking control. The kit includes essential components such as a portable grill, KettlePot, coffee press, FlexLight, and more, all weighing just 5.1 pounds, making it easy to transport. Designed by BioLite, this complete camp kitchen solution is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts looking to enhance their camping experience with innovative technology and convenience.